In this video, we're going to learn how to set in and out points on the timeline, which means marking the start and end of a specific section in your sequence. In and out points are very useful when you want to preview only a portion of your timeline or export just a selected part instead of the entire sequence. Let's start. Move your playhead to the position where you want your selection to begin. Now press the I key on your keyboard. This sets the in point. Next, move the playhead to where you want the selection to end. Press the O key on your keyboard. This sets the out point. You'll now see a highlighted area on the timeline ruler between the in and out points. In addition to using the keyboard, you can also use the bracket icons in the program monitor. When you look at the bottom of the program monitor and you'll see the left and right bracket buttons. Click the left bracket icon to set the in point. Click the right bracket icon to set the out point. You'll also notice small arrow icons next to these bracket buttons. These arrows allow you to quickly jump to the start of the in point or to the end of the out point. This makes navigation much faster, especially in longer timelines. Setting in and out points helps you stay focused and organized while editing longer projects. And that's it. You now know how to set in and out points on the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.